Hello everyone, my name's Blaze, and I'll be covering some Eternal Nightmares news today. Some new stuff has been leaked, such as new renders, new chase themes, and some new animations. So let's take a look, shall we? First up, I'd like to show y'all a new animation made for Big the Cat. He's just in his idle animation and walking. Afterwards, we have some new renders for Saranos in his base form, along with his beast form chase theme. Take a listen and admire. And then finally, we got the reveal of 2011X and his chase theme and some renders. So take a listen and admire once again. And for the final thing that got revealed was Crimson X's chase theme. And that's all from me for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and remember, don't let the nightmares be eternal.
Hey, wait a minute! What are you doing here?
Oh, I was just covering some Eternal Nightmares news. You know, your favorite game right now. But this is my channel. You can't be covering stuff on my channel without my permission too. How rude of you. Well, I saw you doing this stuff and I thought it was fun, so I wanted to try it out. You can't be too mad at me, right? You know what? I'll let you do the Sonic videos on my channel. But only Sonic, okay? Or else. Yay, thank you so much, me. It's alright, it's no biggie. You're my favorite Sonic character anyway, so I guess I owe you that one. Well, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and as always, don't let the nightmares be eternal.
Hey, wait a minute, that's my line!